I'm cooking up a storm on the Adventure Kings camp oven stove, and it's just so good, I reckon every caravaner should have one. We all know that you can't have open wood fires in many caravan parks and national park campgrounds or around the country. But just because you can't have a wood fire doesn't mean you have to miss out on the camp oven's warmth and cooking ability. The Adventure Kings camp oven stove is fully self-contained and runs just as well on heat beads as it does on wood. That means when you're at many caravan parks, you can fill it up with heat beads and still use it. When you're done and finished and ready to move on to your next stop, it packs into itself in the optional Adventure Kings 40-litre heavy-duty duffel bag and stores easily in your caravan front boot or the back of your tow rig until you're ready to use it again. The Adventure Kings camp oven stove is an amazing bit of gear, and it's on sale now at an absolutely unbeatable price.